Every year, the Lusaka Garden Club hosts its annual flower show. This event takes place the day before the show opens, and for the duration of the show, the garden club is open to all visitors to come and just peruse the flowers.
This show has been running for years because the Lusaka Garden Club is a club that started way before independence. And we have two shows, one in March and one in August. The August show is we open it up to non-members, and it's the highlight, it's the crème de la crème. And basically members come to showcase their best from their gardens. It's not just plants, it's home produce as well, and farm produce, vegetables, fruit.
You may remember a video we shot last year capturing some of the behind-the-scenes activity of the show.
Hello. The show has started and it's so busy. It's madness out here. Confusion, people putting in wrong places, but we'll get it all fixed.
The flower show is open for anyone to participate. I'm not a member of the Lusaka Garden Club, but I do enjoy being part of the gardening community in general. I thought it would be nice to participate as a contestant, so when I found out that the registration for the 2025 show was just about to close, I made a last-minute dash to get myself organized and get my application in. Fortunately, although it was last minute, we do have many potted plants around the house and some were looking quite lovely. On the morning of the show, participants come and leave their plants in their selected areas, and around 10 a.m. the judges begin their work of selecting the winner. Each person can submit up to 40 items among the different categories, and some of the categories are really competitive. This year it was the flower arranging and the potted plants which appeared to be the most competitive.
I just came in as chair, and the first thing that I did was to create subcommittees. So to be honest, the organizing hasn't been difficult because, everybody had a stake in making sure this show was a success. And look at that. This is what happens when you allow people to give of themselves. The best always comes out.
Once the judging began, some of us waited around for an hour or two to see how well we did. I wasn't complaining about the waiting around. The Lusaka Garden Club is situated near one of several green spaces in the showgrounds. It has a beautiful fish pond, and I can grab a bite from the rich and famous restaurant, which shares the same space. As I wait around, I wander around the showgrounds to see what other activities are taking place. It is, after all, a day before the agricultural show, which is a major event on the Lusaka calendar. I went around to look at the plant market. For about 2 weeks before the show starts, we have plant vendors coming from all over the country with literally truckloads of plants to sell just before the show. And yeah, there's so much to see. Finally, they let us back in the hall, and I didn't do too badly. I spotted a familiar face and had a bit of a chat with her. Which one is yours?
This one is mine. This one is mine.
Miniature gardens. This is nice. You really thought them through, eh?
Yeah, you have to.
Raking up the prizes too.
This one is also mine. This one is mine. This one is mine.
And what are they judging when they're looking at this at the plants?
Okay, the one of the things is whether it's rare or not. You stand a chance of winning if your plant is rare because you're not comparing it to anyone. Okay, like these, they're the only ones, apart from this one. I had a cymbidium like this one. It has got 4 spikes of flowers, but they haven't opened. And if you bring something where the buds are not opened, you are wasting your time and stressing the plant for nothing because it won't win. It's supposed to be disqualified. And then the other thing is the miniature garden is supposed to be a certain size, like this. It's supposed to be a certain size. And okay, I was looking at the schedule. I don't know. Maybe this time when they were reviewing, they didn't look at the measurements. It's supposed to be 35 centimeters both ways up and width.
So that one is too big.
Yeah, this one is too big.
And
So
this
it's
one. Oopsie. And on the desert roses?
Yesterday I brought a triple petal. On my way, all the flowers fell off. So I just went back with it.
Oh no.
So, yeah.
Well, look at this. So you are my competition because this is me.
Oh, okay.
These two are me. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah,
We won
beautiful.
first prize.
Beautiful.
This is the obesum, the one with the thick base. I think we gave you one of those. And this one we tried to bonsai it with the roots, but I mean, look at that.
This one is mine. That one didn't win anything. I think the flowers.
Not, yeah. But this is nice. And how long to braid this? How long have you been shaping it like
once
this?
you do it, and you have to somehow find something to keep it in place, to keep this braid in place. And the goodness is that when you braid it like this, the bigger it gets, the more pronounced this
Braids become. Yeah.
because it just expands and it doesn't harm the plant in any way.
No, I'm really impressed by the show this time compared to last year. So many entries. The place is full. It's packed with
Because
entries.
the chairperson, the overall chairperson, is very active and passionate.
Fantastic. No, it's fantastic. No, it's lovely. Did you compete?
I did.
Okay, show us what we need to see what the chairperson did. Show us.
One of my proud exhibits.
Oh, are these stag on yours?
That stag horn is mine.
Ah, that's stunning.
It got first prize.
I can see why.
Yeah. I am
beautiful
a
stag
big. I compete a lot in photography. So most of my exhibits are in there. Yeah.
How do you feel now that it's done?
Extremely proud.
And I feel extremely overwhelmed with gratitude because you cannot pull such a thing off alone. The support has been amazing. I mean, one of the members brought in 5 flower arrangements just to decorate the hall.
I noticed some that weren't part of the.
They're not part of the show. Yeah.
Oh man,
But that's the kind of love we give
the kind
each
of
other.
support you have
Kind
within
of
the
love.
club. The kind of love.
Kind of love we give each other.
I'm so grateful to everybody that has pulled their weight and made the effort because this is a lot of effort. I'm so proud.
Fantastic.